Noe.
And me, Kailey.
And today we're going to be making the fluffy colored clay slime. So first we have 20 millimeters of warm water, and we're going to add, well, right here we have 1 bag of clay, and then we're going to add our color to our warm water.
You can choose any color you like.
Yes, but we're choosing blue because we haven't done that color yet.
Okay.
So we're going to do a few squirts, and then would you mix it for me, Kailey?
Yeah.
And we can add color after to make it brighter, but for right now you want to add it right now to the water. Just be a little soft so it doesn't spill. Make sure you get that glob. There we go. So dissolve.
Whoa.
Oh no. Let's move it back just a little. We need a napkin. Clean it up. Watch out. Okay, I think that's good. I think that's good.
It is a little messy.
It's alright. This is gonna get a little messy because we're gonna add this to the clay and mix it until all the water is gone. It's gonna take about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, ready?
Like,
we need a spoon for Kailey so that she can mix it. Oh no. So I just say poke for right now. Don't mix it. Yeah, don't do that.
Looks like icebergs. You know what in the...
Yeah, I'm gonna get my hand in there. Excuse me?
Like an Antarctica.
You can poke. Just poke for right now. That's what I'm doing.
Whoa.
Yep, I'm just trying to move it around. Ooh, you took the whole thing with you. It does look like an iceberg.
Yeah.
In the water. It's sinking. Titanic. Okay, excuse me, Kailey. I'm gonna start getting in.
Whoa.
Oh gosh, this is... Here's the napkin so that you can clean it up. Don't want any stains. Oh gosh. I'm gonna mix this in and then I'm gonna add it back to the water. It already looks like a nice baby blue color.
Yeah.
Look at that. Okay, let's add it back. It's getting really soft.
Whoa!
Oh no! You got it?
Yeah.
Do you want to take... You just gotta poke with your fingers and be very soft. Here, you can go. I'll take this. There you go. And then like flip it over and stuff like that. There you go. Yep. Just be very gentle.
I like that sound.
Yeah, I do too. Ooh, be careful. Yep. You want me to go now? Here.
Yeah.
Where it's going. It's mixing, but it's definitely gonna take a little bit. Oh gosh.
It's already looking like slime, actually.
It is so soft though. Feel
Yeah.
this.
It kind of looks like
So
butter slime.
soft. I know, right?
Butter slime.
Okay.
I wonder if the utensils we can literally like make into like a...
We should do that. Yeah, I think we can make like different stuff with it and stuff like that and mold it. So we can do that. Whoa, did you see that squirt? It just squirted out.
These are one messy icebergs.
I know. Once it's done though, we can mold it into whatever. I think I want to mold it to like a candy. I may dye it a certain color. It's almost there. It's almost absorb everything.
Can I mix that?
Yes, here. Make sure you get all this. I'm gonna pour a little bit of water. Mix that well. Make sure it doesn't go everywhere.
Really, really cool.
Here, make sure you get all that right there.
This is probably one of my favorites.
One of your favorites? It's
Yeah.
so soft. Here. Clean that up.
You want to add more food there?
We can. We'll split it in half. So let's split it in half. Whoa, it is so soft. Okay. I'll split it in half with my handy dandy knife right here. Okay, almost there. Okay. And now you can split it and do whatever you want and you can color it. I'm gonna make purple. I hope it turns out purple.
Yeah.
Okay. It's so cute how it spreads out. Here, you can separate it too, or you just want to make it darker.
Yeah.
It might turn pink. I have no idea. We'll see. But I want to make a candy out of it, so. It's like a
really,
pinkish
really
purple.
soft.
It is.
Really
I know.
soft.
It is so soft. But we gotta work quick because it's gonna get dry quick. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. Turn it into like a little pink kind of color. I like it. Then
Very
I'm gonna make
sticky.
this
Very
a
nice.
darker color.
Whoa.
Whoa, that was a lot. Uh-oh. It's okay.
Really buttery.
Yes, this is just gonna make it a dark blue then. And then you can dig in with any tools at any time if you want.
I'm gonna make it perfect.
I want to make like little marshmallows. Those are cool.
Squirt over.
Okay. Okay, let's make them. I want to make my little marshmallows. My marshies. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little piece. And I'm going to roll it out to make a little snake. And then I'm going to roll this piece out to make a little snake. And I'm going to roll them together and twist them and roll it and twist and roll it and twist.
That's cool.
Yes, and now I'm going to make them into little marshies.
Marshies.
Marshies. Okay.
Ha.
One
The more you
marshmallow.
play with it, the softer it gets.
Yes, it does. Okay, I'm going to twist it again. There we go. That's what I
It's
wanted.
kind of messy.
Okay, we gotta cut off the end. Look, there we go. Now we're gonna cut the marshmallows. Oh my gosh, look at them!
I'm gonna make this into a butter cube.
A butter cube? That's cool. You can use any of the utensils you want to. Okay, now I've got my little marshmallows and I'm gonna move on to something else. I'm gonna put them right here on display. They're all unique and different colors. I mean, they're not different colors. They are two different colors, but they're all unique in their own pattern.
Can I use my knife?
You can use it. I'm gonna play with this. This is so cool. What if I mold it to a little smiley face? Okay. Here we go.
This is really, really fun. Especially when you're bored and you have nothing to do.
You have nothing to do. What are
It's
you
very
rolling into?
satisfying.
That's so cool, Kailey. Okay,
This is
now I'm gonna
really
flatten it.
satisfying.
And I'm gonna make my eyes. And now I'm gonna fill it with my blue. I'm gonna make little eyeballs. They're gonna be blue eyeballs. That's cute, there's one.
That is really cool.
Look, its eyes are different colors. That's kind of funny. Then we're gonna make his
eyes.
smile. His smile is gonna be a little crooked, but that's okay. I'm gonna roll another little snake out. Make it even. Look at that. That's so funny. It looks like he's gotten a little dizzy. There we go. And then I'm gonna make one more swirl. And I'm gonna make a big lollipop out of this one. Whoa, Kailey. Oops. What are you gonna make yours into?
Just cutting it.
Just cutting it. Then roll this one up.
Let's see, I'm gonna try to attempt something.
Okay, now let's roll this. Let's get started. Okay. And there we go. We got my little lollipop.
That's so cool.
I know, it looks, I wish I could have made a stick out of it, but there it is. Here, I'll put a little stick in it. It'll be a lollipop. we go. It looks like a little heart lollipop. Here, we'll make a little dent. Oh, that's so cute. It's a little heart lolly.
Really cool.
Oh, I love it.
Lolly.
I'm gonna play around with this one.
Here, can I play with
Gonna
it?
smush it.
Yeah.
Sure. You can always dye yours a different color too.
Yeah. I'm gonna take a little part away from it. Let's see.
Make a little round marshmallow.
I wanna see what it looks like when you mix it.
There you go.
It's like a galaxy.
Yeah. Kailey loves galaxies, so you can make a galaxy slime with the glitters maybe in a few minutes. Okay, there's my clay ones. Are you gonna do anything else with yours?
Yeah, I'm gonna attempt out the galaxy. I'm gonna make these two.
You gotta hurry up, come on. We're gonna wait for Kailey. I'm gonna let her finish, but I'm finished with mine. I have my
It looks
heart
like a
lolly.
little- You don't know how much.
I have my face. I have my marshmallows. What are you planning on making?
A galaxy.
A galaxy what though?
A galaxy universe. Universe.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!